Welcome to Best RV Center. This is Nala Mari from Best RV in Trola, California. From now on, we're going to start presenting a lot of videos and a lot of talking about the new models of 2026 for all the products we are coming to Best RV. So start from today. I'm going to start today with this brand new 2026 Rockwood Mini Lite 2523RB. Now, you're gonna say, now it look like the same Rockwood you have in the dealership. Yes, they are look same. Some model they never change, or they just tweak a little bit inside. They change the decals and the color inside because it's a good selling floor plan. So why they need to mess around with it? All they did, they just changed the colors and the fabrics and some certain items. Now, this particular unit is a brand new floor plan. We never had this floor plan before, and it's the Rockwood 2523 MBR. Now you tell me, what is 2523 MBR? To make it in simple English, is a 25 feet with a 2 slide out. You have a nice theater seating on a slide out, a nice, a queen size bed on the slide out, and a big bathroom. So as the look, they change. What they change? They change the decals on the outside. Other than that, it looked like same. They still using the electric tongue jack in the front. The propane tank with the covers. They have the electric stabilizer jack as before, nothing changed. Outside solar, and then I love this magic shift. I mean, they went really nice glass refrigerator. We never had this before. So they give you outside fridge. And then what's come over here is, I love what they did is the new arm. Now I'm talking, sometimes they say, now you talk too much and you go to, but I want to emphasize these features. So now if you notice, it's a curve, big, thick, and it's very easy. And it's very easy to open and close. Going here, still the same. Rockwood, they give you the outside TV bracket, outside barbecue, and they come with the grill with it. TV hookup, outside shower hot and cold. And then you have the ladder. Versus some competitors, they don't give you the ladder. Rockwood, they give you the ladder. Backup camera prep, spare tires and a cover, receivers. And then also, if you notice here, they get all Rockwood. What I really like about the Mini Lite is they give you the frameless window. Some other brand, they give you a standard window. Coming here, all you could see all the hookup is everything is set up high on the black and the gray. This is the beauty. So if the cameraman go back a little bit and show them, my customer, what is 2523? Is a 25-foot trailers, 2 slide out, recliners with the fridge, and a queen bed on the slide. Now, underneath the slide, you have a beautiful pass-through storage. Cameraman, point to them and show them what's good about Rockwood. It is aluminum structure, even on the furniture, like the dinette, the bed. It's all aluminum. And then also they don't waste any space. So even here, you see, have a storage behind the fridge. So you can put your fishing pole and so on. Another storage. They don't waste nothing. And then you have the nice docking light here, switch right there. So 25 rear bath, 2 slide out. And let's go inside. Let's check it out. Folks, we're inside the 25. Now, again, I'm gonna show some features of Rockwood as well the new floor plan. One feature always I demonstrate to my customers, this is 6-wall aluminum frame. A lot of them, they're gonna say, oh, my trailer is aluminum frame. Yes, but that's 4 walls. I mean, those 2 sides, left and right, front and back. But Rockwood is aluminum side walls. What do you mean by side wall? 6 walls. That's mean this roof here, 1 piece solid roof, aluminum frame. This is aluminum frame, and the 4 walls is aluminum frame. Even the structure of the dinette and the table is aluminum frame. That's the reason why we call this 6-wall aluminum frame. There's the other. That's the reason why you're getting a 25 feet with a solid surface and 2 slide out, and the weight is less in the 5. Now, as soon as you walk in, beautiful L-shaped kitchen counter space. This is solid surface, not a Formica or composite. 1 deep sink. And again, two-way, you could put this for drying plate. Again, roller shade from window. And then you have the nice 3-burner range, oven, microwave, all these cabinets self-closing. Look how much the storage, even look, self-closing. Nice pantry, all these doors self-closing. Look, even here, you could use this self-closing. Place for trash can. It's right here, actually. And then you have a nice theater seating, reclined. Ooh, nice, beautiful. With the USB plugs, and you put your phone here. You sit, relax, enjoy. Where's my drink? And straight watching that 40-inch TV. And this TV is run of 12 volt. Again, still Rockwood offering you 400 watt solar panel. So my unit has two 200 watt solar panel, 1800 watt inverter. So that's the reason why, if you notice here, I could come in middle of nowhere and I could turn my TV on. Because this is a 12 volt TV and I'm running off the battery and the solar. And it's built in with a stereo system. Coming here, we have a nice breakfast nook, or just lower the volume. And again, you could do also a stereo with it, with a remote control. And you could do TV also, like you see. I could do FM, AV, or live TV if I want, and all that through this TV. Nice breakfast, kitchen counter space. I could feed 2 people here, or I could have people sitting here with a coffee table and enjoy the beautiful kitchen, enjoy the view, big window and behind the 2 recliners. And if you don't want nobody to see your bedroom, we have this full privacy. Again, no one could see my bedroom. And we're gonna go to this beautiful floor plan. I love they give you here a coat hanger. That's a really nice touch. Also, all your controllers hidden, so no kids gonna play with this controller. Solid wood. This is not a paper. Nice pocket door, and then you have your beautiful queen size bed here with a light USB plug, and again storage. You could access it. This is the controller for the 400 watt solar panel, and going here, beautiful structure, aluminum frame bed with 2 big doors. So closing, you can see it's aluminum. And I want to show you the mattress, because a lot of manufacturers, they cheapen up on the mattress, except Rockwood is a solid foam mattress. And you can see, oh, I'm in heaven. And then you could put a 32-inch TV right there. The reason why we don't put one in the bedroom, because some people, look, I'm going camping, I don't want to watch TV. And plus you still have the big one, very roomy to go around the bedroom. Big closet, look at it. Now, the beauty about this closet is I could do things. So if you say, Niall, I want combo washer dryers in my closet, guess what? It's already prepped. Here's the plumbing. I could put it here. I could put vents here if you want. So I put combo washer dryers, or you could use it as a closet. More storage, as you see here. A lot of doors. So closing. Nice counter space. You have a nice, beautiful window. As well, 2 windows there. You open them. You open that fantastic fan, and then you have wind circulations and nice breeze. Going to the bathroom. This is amazing. Solid door, so nobody could see what's going on in your bathroom. And you have a porcelain toilet. Porcelain toilet, very roomy for my needs. I'm not gonna hit it. Nice sink, solid, with a counter space for hair dryers. Medicine cabinet, gonna be just only for her. And this one is all towels. More storage. Some storage. LED, so you can see at night when you step in. Then you have a nice glass shower door, not a plastic. Like some of them, they give you, I've seen them, they give you just curtain. This is really nice. Like the big 5th one. Voila. Nice skylight, big shower head, very roomy and elbow, no issue. And you have a window so you can see through your bathroom. So this is the brand new 2026 2523MB coming at Best RV, brand new 2026. And our model, come get this one before the tariff, before the price go up, and we have a special price on it. Is we just got it in. And our model, what is the model of Best RV for the last year? I've been talking to you guys. Price no one could match in California. Lowest price, awesome service, free dealer prep, free walkthrough, free orientation, free inspections, no bogus fees, no hidden fees, and we provide you with a free get ready package. Come to Best RV and grab the brand new one. Coming in.